Ik ben Hidde.
My name is Hidde de Jong, 36 years old, and I am a foreman at the stainless steel workshop at Feadship. The atmosphere here at the workshop is amazing. Everybody is more than willing to help their co-workers out if needed.
Wil elkaar helpen, wil elkaar ondersteunen.
Now and then when there is a problem, we're always willing to help out. You can say we're one big family.
Familie. Hoe ik omga met deze...
The way I try to deal with a lot of different people is to really try to listen to my co-workers here at the workshop. If anybody has a question about something, they can talk to me at any time, so I'm always able to talk to them and give my advice.
Had je met iemand te doen?
A nice example of that is Maaike. She came here for an internship for 10 weeks. She did really great. Everybody appreciated her a lot. Also as a co-worker,
Als collega.
at one point she said to me, Hidde, I like it here so much, I think I'd like to come and work here.
Ik wil hier wel komen werken op de afdeling.
So my fellow foreman and I decided to approach her school to hire her full time. And now she's been working here at the workshop for a couple of months.
En sindsdien is Maaike alweer een aantal maanden bij ons werkzaam op de afdeling. Onze technische hoogstandjes op...
Our technical expertise lies in CNC cutting, turning on a lathe, milling and welding. It's all quite special.
3D printen doen we op het moment ook.
We're also doing a lot of 3D printing with either plastic or stainless steel. It's a very up-and-coming method for us.
Leuks wat ik zelf...
Personally, I get the most enjoyment out of welding. I love the blue sparks and the result you get after a good weld. It's just great.
Naar een laatste jaar is gewoon fantastisch.
What's in my toolbox? Come with me.
Het was ontzettend...
There used to be a bit of a mess here in the storage room.
Zoals jullie kunnen zien.
As you can see, everything is color-coded in different compartments. Every build number has its own color. Blue is a build number, yellow is a build number. As you can see, every compartment is filled with different parts. The employees can grab a compartment, they're all numbered.
Er staat een nummer op, zoals jullie kunnen zien.
They grab a compartment, take it to the workshop and begin their work.
De werkplaats en ze kunnen aan het werk.
And my favorite part of the job is planning. Making planning for everybody at the workshop so that the employees have enough work, we have enough parts, and that the parts are made right on time.
Tijd krijgen, de juiste onderdelen maken.
And also making sure all the parts are on board in time.
Voor mij is een stukje planning maken.
So to me, planning and maintaining that planning is very important.
De luchthoorn. This is the air horn. Whenever there's one in the workshop, it'll get used from time to time on Fridays, just before the weekend. Then someone will probably hook it up.
Die de luchtslang er even opzet.
So I'll show that to you now.
Feadship betekent voor mij...
To me, Feadship is a beautiful company with amazing products. Yeah, and just a great company to work for.